September 29, 2025. Checking out a new area. I've been walking for 45 minutes just to get here. I'm in an area that I had to go past 2 creeks to get here. So we've got wild cherry, we've got pine, we got birch. This is an old apple tree right here. There's a creek over that way in the swamp. It's hard to tell if it's 2 different creeks or one because they double back so much. I am set my stand up for October 1st already today. I am scouting for November 15th. And basically within an area of where I hunted last year, but deeper in a wider area. So hang on. REO-Outdoors. Like, share, subscribe, turn on notifications, make comments, please. Give me the thumbs up. And join me as I stumble through and fight through this thick stuff. There's an oxbow over here where the creek makes an oxbow, and I'm trying to figure out where that's at. I know it's over that way. It goes out and around and back. So I was on the south side of that oxbow trying to figure out what's over here. It looks kind of open over that way. So I want to circle around and see what's going on. Be heading east or northeast that way. There's just so much property out here, and it's not easy to get to. You can't just drive up to it, park, and get out. All right, I'm going to put you in my pocket, and hopefully everything goes good. Hold on. I haven't seen any rubs or scrapes. I haven't come across any fresh poop. I think this right here is basically some kind of trail. I set my bow stand up in a totally different area, a mile from here, and a spot easier to get to. If you watched last year's gun season opening day, November 15th, 2024, I was overlooking a swamp, and I saw 10 deer that day, and probably 8 out of the 10 were within shooting range if I wanted to shoot those. But I didn't want to shoot those. You know, two bucks I saw. One was too small, and the other one surprised me as much as I surprised him. I couldn't get a shot at him. So I am scouting around a bigger area, trying to figure out where they came from. Look right over there. if this phone is working. You look right over that way, there's a nice hole right there.